Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to publish our results. Right on the right hand side you can see the official list which we have got from all the participants who have participated, and they have all scored the 10 marks fully. It's really a very nice thing to see that many of them participated and have scored fully 10 marks. And on the center side you can see the wheel of a spin. The website name is wheelofnames.com. So we have placed all the names here and we are going to spin it. Okay, so we will this wheel will decide that who will get the rupees 500 cash reward. All the participants will get the certificate as well. So let's go. Who will be the winner? Who will be the winner? And here we have the name. Congratulations, she is the Shazia Qureshi. Just ping us on our official number. The other admins will deal with you. May Allah bless you, and stay tuned for the more updates. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.